Hi teachers, in this next video what we're going to show you is the workflow between teacher and student using EquatIO's MathSpace. Now what I want you to notice this time is we're not using the MathSpace icon found down here, okay? So I'm actually going to put that away so we don't get confused. What we're actually going to do is go to this website, okay? So it's equatio.texthelp.com. That again is equatio.texthelp.com. And when you go here, this is what you'll see. Now obviously I've done this a few examples here, so you're not going to see all these examples, but you will see this new space right here. Now what this lets you do is, again, it gives you that gigantic canvas where you could create questions, have some writing for your students, some instructions, some math language, some images, some shapes, protractors, all that stuff is still available to you. Okay? The difference now is this. You need to enter in a title. So for example, Math 20 Lesson 3. Okay? And you would fill in everything you need to fill in here. And again, you could write freehand if you'd like. All this stuff is still here available to you, okay? It's just an open canvas. The only difference between this MathSpace and the MathSpace we saw before, where it was only for teachers, is this button right here. When you click on share over here, what you'll see is this. You get two options. Do you want to make this gigantic canvas available to your students to view and to look at on their own? Or do you want to make a copy for each person and actually expect a response? If that's what you want, and you want that workflow back and forth between yourself and your students, what you'll need to do is click continue at this point. Now I'm going to stop us here for a second and make something really clear. This EquatIO icon and this EquatIO subscription for teachers and students to use, you do need to be logged into the Chrome browser, okay? If I hit continue here now, what you will notice is you get a few different options, and one of which is Google Classroom. So when I click on Google Classroom, what this will do is open up this normal screen that you've seen before, where you get to choose the class that you want to assign this in. So let's just put it in one of my sample classrooms. You're going to choose that it's an assignment, and then what you'll do is you'll hit go. Now this creates you your normal Google Classroom instructions. So fill in something up here, give some instructions. Do you want to make it valued at anything or not? Do you want a due date for this or not? And do you want to add a topic or not? Okay, so all the stuff should seem pretty familiar to you. You could assign it right now, or you could still schedule assignments or save it as a draft. For this example, I'm going to assign it right now. Now, here's the only difference. Your students will still be able to view this assignment in Google Classroom. But as soon as they click on the assignment itself, okay, as soon as they click on the assignment itself, what it actually does is it brings them back into your MathSpace, okay? And this is where you will go to see their work. And under assignments, you will see all the assignments that you've assigned. So there's the Math 30 Lesson 3. And when I click on that, I would come in here and all my student responses will be here. Okay? So it's slightly different, but that's how you use it. Alright? If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.